Welcome to the Florida Aquarium, ranked in the top 3 aquariums in North America by USA Today. Here, discover an ocean of curiosity and fun. Connect with creatures from around the world, both the great and small, the incredible and unforgettable. There's so much to see and experience, and that's all before lunch. Here, explore a new dimension of entertainment and breathtaking sights of the bay. While the kids make a splash in the outdoor play zone, relax with an ice-cold drink. Here, new adventures happen every day. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and share lasting moments you'll treasure together.